we are NanoPaste, the nanobot technology toothpaste. When we're done, you'll have a good taste in your mouth.
We were solving the problem of critical information loss daily, about 37 black daily, and about 32 never found. NanoPaste will increase the health of your teeth and also save you your time if you ever need to. If you ever wake up late and need to go to work but don't want to slap on you, just please
Okay.
Our product is mostly aimed at kids and adults because kids don't really know how to brush their teeth by themselves, and so this is biodegradable, so it's okay if they swallow it, and it won't be dangerous for them. And you know, if adults have to go to work, they can save time by just putting it on their teeth, and the nanobots will go around and clean their teeth for them.
DNA origami is how the nanobots will be created. Toothpaste will be the base of the nanobots. Biomedical engineering, microbiology, and biotechnology will be made.
We will be hiring dentists, orthodontists, biomedical scientists, microengineers, and engineering technologists to help us build our project. College majors would be like STEM professionals, doctors of oral medicine.
It saves time, and it will be will send you a health and nutrition to your development.
One of our weaknesses would be that we're not an established brand. There could be a potential side effect of the toothpaste and the price of creation.
But opportunities will be partnership with dental and orthodontics and retail companies will invest together.
Threats would be established companies, and they might try to copy our product, cheaper brands, and the government health agency. The supply cost would be $20 to $26. The marketing cost would be $20. We'll pay our employees $75 per hour, and the regular nanobox would be $25. So that would just be the ones that will clean your teeth. And the premium would be $30, as when you ingest it, they'll tell you about your body as it travels through.
All right, you know, man. Oh, so he has an app that currently scans my teeth. It says my teeth have been calibrated in the system and has detected obstructions between my teeth. I thought I brushed my teeth this morning. Next. Cleaning the teeth. It has begun. Cavities in the tooth flaps have been detected. So clean your teeth. And it's done. So they created a prototype app to try to run their type of product. So that's pretty neat. That's sharp right there.
Okay, so very good presentation. So we already have a lot of toothpaste that people are accustomed to, right? And each of those companies have done extensive research, especially in the medical field, and have brought out the drug that they have. So you might not have that much resource to do as extensive research that they've done. They've been there for years. So I want to ask, are you guys also thinking about using your nanobots, the NanoPaste technology, to take an already existing paste and work with it.
Yes.
So, okay.
You're done.
Okay. So that's what. Then the next one I have was also. So could you? I don't know. It's just it's a suggestion. Would you guys want to extend it to do things like teeth whitening? I mean, so I wanted to have to go sit in the dentist or.
All right, next.
Thank you, very compelling presentation. I would love to work for your company. So thank you for treating your employees well. So I just wanted to ask you, so where did you get this idea and how did you come up with the name?
Well, two of our members aren't here, so it wasn't just the two of us. So we worked together with them to come up with this one.
So did it come from a problem that one of you had? Like, did one of you not like flossing? Okay, that's it.
All right, next.
So you guys had a great presentation, and I love how you held your ground even though there were two of your members that weren't here. My question for you is, as far as I'm like understanding, you're ingesting these nanobots. So how are you going to like get the public to trust you, since like people in general are really wary of technology, and for them to ingest these like bots, like how do you feel like you can get them to trust you? Because won't they like think it's going to be harmful or it might be dangerous for them? So how would you go about that?
Well, the bots would be destroyed by the time that they enter your stomach because of the acid in your stomach, so they won't be in your body.
First of all, hire me, please. Second, great presentation, great idea. Do you think creating these nanobots would cost higher because they're not reusable? Do you plan to make them reusable somehow? They stay in your mouth for a certain period of time, for a few days, and then they go away?
We thought about that, like we could put them inside of a mouth guard, and then you can use them and then take them back.
Ah, great, that's excellent.
Next.
Yeah, very interesting idea, like something that would actually solve a big problem in the real world. I got nothing to share.
Next question.
Couple questions. Are there different flavors to these nanobots? I mean, because some kids like grape, some kids like cherry, some kids like bubblegum. And so when you go to the dentist and, for those of us who have braces or whatever kind of teeth cleaning, they say, before you leave, what kind of flavor do you want? So like, do we have different flavors going on here?
Yes.
Actually, now we have three flavors. It was lemon, grape, and cherry.
Grape and cherry, nice. How many employees are we talking about for this organization? What do you think? I just want to know if I can like get in.
To make sure that it's safe for your body.
Okay. And then lastly, you mentioned one of the weaknesses being the government health agency, right? I think you said that, right?
Yes.
What specifically about government health agencies would make that a weakness for you guys? Like what would they do or not do to make it a weakness?
They'll probably try to look into to see if the nanobots would actually be damaging somebody's health.
Okay. Is there a way that could be a strength if they actually determine that it wasn't?
Yes.
Okay. It's kind of like a flip-flop, right? Use your advantage. All right, go ahead.
All right, do we have any questions? Yes, sir.
Yes, I was in the dentist 2 weeks ago, and at the end of my cleaning, they offered a product that was a mouth guard that had something in there that would kill the bacteria in the mouth. So your thought was a good one. It's a mouth guard. But you got competition.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Yes, sir.
Are you planning to work with dentist industries, or are you going to be somebody that you could potentially share your idea and technology with as well?
Yes.
Do we have any other questions? Yes, sir.
Will the nanobots crawl up into my brain and eat it?
No? Good. Good deal.
All right, and with that, let's